Hi, welcome to Urban Rooster. Today we're going to talk about some different chicken breeds for small farms and urban farmers. There are several breeds that work well as they can be very cold hardy and good in smaller environments. The first one is the Barred Rock, also known as the Plymouth Rock or the Barred Plymouth Rock. They are relatively large but not huge birds, and they may lay up to 6 eggs a week. They're good in the cold and have a very calm and hardy temperament. They typically weigh around 7 pounds. Next up, we have the cochin chicken. These are really large chickens, quite big and feathery. They are very calm and friendly and lay around 160 to 180 eggs a year. Since they're so large, they're very good in the cold. They weigh around 8 to 10 pounds. Next up, we have the Orpington. Medium-sized birds. I'm bad at drawing chickens. Medium-sized birds. They weigh around 190 eggs a year, which is quite a lot, weigh 7 to 8 pounds, and are very cold hardy and calm. Silkie bantams are very small and fluffy and look half between a chicken and a rabbit. They're not very good for egg laying as they're bantams and lay around 100 small eggs a year. They're good in the cold and very friendly. And finally, we have Polish chickens, the best hair in the chicken world. They have a very intricate plumage on top of their heads. Thank you for watching.